You're like 30 seconds to kick it. Every bit of meat's got to go.
Oh my god, I can smell it.
It's never gets
Doing alright?
Come on, Joe, come on! The first is gone.
You got it.
Right, come on.
One down in like no time. You can power through this.
A bit of information about these ways doing it. I mean, the record at the moment stands at 28 seconds.
28 seconds.
To get on the top board, you have to be under a minute.
Okay.
So, in 5 seconds, that's under a minute. You want to see the fastest
28 seconds.
That becomes more about the ability to eat wings quickly rather than
Yeah.
eat.
Yeah,
The
of course.
faster it is, the easier it is.
You have to support. Come on, Joe.
Yeah, you got it.
Come on, come on.
So how many people do it?
The most classic thing that happens is you get hiccups. I don't know if you've got hiccups, but
Yeah.
I start to you get sweat under here.
Oh no. Okay, you
Don't
got
stop
it.
because
Yeah.
you're never going to start again.
You got. How often do people do it?
I'd say maybe 2 a night.
Oh really?
Sometimes you get big groups, you get about 8 people doing it.
Yeah.
Rarely.
Come on, Joe. You got this.
Yes, come on.
Find your centre.
I mean, a top 10 has happened twice since I've been here.
For your career journalist. I'm the only one that I'm not.
Come on, what's that? Blue down. You got this. Come on, man.
Come on.
The first
Also, there are 24 hotter sauces than this. 24. The hottest one is 16 times hotter than this.
You are making history, Joe. Come on.
Yeah, come on. You're making mincemeat of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, this is your fourth. After this, there's only 2 left, and then it's all downhill.
7 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Come on, Joe. You got it.
How many left? Just 2? Yes. Just 2.
Just
Come
focus
on.
on getting it down.
Yes.
Down and down and down and down. Right.
Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Archie, you got this.
Yeah, you can do it.
1 left after this. That's nothing. You're already most of the way through it.
Try and breathe through your nose, roll it through your mouth.
Yeah. That's not. He can blow his nose if he needs, right? Yeah.
It does clear up a cold as well.
Yeah.
That's oh shit, I should have done it.
You can do it. You can do it.
Yeah, come on.
You can do it. The last one.
You're over the hump. You're well over the hump here. He's calming down. He's found his sense. He can just do it now. Is it the last one? I mean, think how good the article is going to be. You've got to do this. Oh, that's it. He's
You can
flying.
do it.
He's flying.
You can do it.
He's going to do
The
it now.
machine is
Nothing can
ready.
stop him.
The machine is ready for you.
There's almost nothing left.
Come on. Come on. It's finished.
Okay. That's all downhill. Okay. Bad?
4 minutes, not bad. So we start again. You got 5 minutes now.
Okay. That's it, 5 minutes, that's nothing. That's shaking. That's 5 minutes is nothing, honestly. Take it off.
So what do you find?
Come on, man. You got it, I mean, you're not on the board, but you've done it, and you're not even spiced out. That's really good.
Cool, so it's like paper in it. I'll get some paper in that when we do it again in a minute.
Glass of milk.
Want a drink?
For after, yeah, I'll glass of milk. You can do this, man. It's like,
If you feel burn the skin, it's better that you lick here. Lick here.
I try now, it's good for you, man. Drink it, go on.
Yeah. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. How long have I got? How long have I got?
You got 8 minutes, man.
You can do it. You got some. Keep your hands well clear. Keep your hands well clear of your face.
It's
That's
making
right,
it.
we're here.
It's making it.
Yeah, don't go near your
Alright, Joe,
face.
let's try that again, mate.
I'm really impressed with that. I'm really impressed. That looks incredible.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is that? 10 maybe.
11 and 11.
The only way you can get anything hotter than that is by an extract. It is the hottest thing you can do, naturally. So 3 minutes left.
How come it was just like? How come the place decided to start doing it? Was it just that? How come you decided to start doing it?
This business, the owner Tom, who was here actually not too long ago, he's not here at the moment. Him and his mate were sat. I think they were sat in front of him. They just decided they wanted to do something like Madness Food, I guess. So
Yeah.
they thought it would be fun. Dad runs a new restaurant, so he helped them out. And it's a family business. Like they sort it out. I mean, I'm not family, but.
That's why I mean, good for business because I knew about it. Like,
So the idea, I mean, we've got the sandwich shop next door, which you can have a look. It's basically like our Subway version of.
I've been there. Yeah, I had the Coney Island dog. It's really
So
nice.
next to you is a nice and thick
Yeah.
sandwich.
How long left?
Like, it's Subway that everything's fresh on the day, like everything gets delivered in the morning.
Yeah, that's really good. I like it.
And the meat's the same, you know, burgers are ground on the spot when you order it. So
Yeah. How long has he got left?
2 minutes exactly.
Okay, that's
2
a lot.
minutes. 2 minutes.
And once it's done, yeah.
No, you can do it. You can do it. It's not a problem. Come on.
Yeah, you got plenty of time.
Don't worry about like.
Bye. You get used. You get used to. Now 2 minutes is nothing. 2 minutes is
Right,
nothing.
and once it's gone, I'm gonna keep pouring glass after glass of water for you.
Yeah. How like much of a state were there compared to most people?
You look normal. You look normal. I mean, some people, the reason we have the waiver, I know you were questioning it on the phone, but the reason we have the waiver is simply because people eat it before their meal. We've had a few people who gone to hospital. I've been to hospital to break my eye.
Shit.
Another one when my girlfriend and her friends came, my girlfriend decided to try it. We went home, and then I'm guessing you can guess what happened there.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So I've had all sorts.
Jesus Christ. I mean, thank God that didn't happen.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah, that's the worst thing that's happened.
Yeah. That's the worst that's ever. Yeah.
But then, I mean, other situations that are more financial where people come in groups of 10, to groups of 20, say, one person does it, doesn't enjoy their meal,
Yeah.
and then tries to ask for everyone to have their meal free.
Yeah. It's
So basically, yeah, we decided.
Come on.
There's
Yes.
no time
Yes.
left now. It's what milkshake
You still have
water.
to drink that later, right? Well, it doesn't make sense. I mean, we did do that to him. He came on his birthday, we made him drink the rest of the sauce.
This is amazing.
That's not trend, I can do that. He's a
torture,
corporate,
right?
he's
Oh, yeah,
promised me that
exactly,
he's
yeah.
going to link me to something.
Okay.
15 seconds.
15.
15.
This is it,
15
man.
seconds.
You've done it.
10.
8, 6,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice, man.
Done it.
Oh.
Done it.
Yeah, nice.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Boom! You did it, man.